Hey dear foodies, welcome back to Suzain's kitchen. Today we are diving into the delightful world of homemade donuts. These fluffy golden treats are sure to satisfy your sweet cravings. So let's roll up our sleeves and get baking. Ingredients which I need for this recipe: 240 ml warm milk, 60 grams granulated sugar, 15 grams active dry yeast, half teaspoon salt, 85 grams butter melted, 2 large eggs, 500 grams all-purpose flour, oil for frying, and chocolate. Make sure you have all these ingredients ready. Now let us jump right into the process. Step 1. Activate the yeast. Combine warm milk and 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. Mix until the sugar dissolves. Sprinkle 15 grams of active dry yeast over the milk mixture. Mix it well and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes frothy. Step 2. In the meantime, we will get those dry ingredients out. I am measuring out 500 grams of all-purpose flour. I am adding half a teaspoon of salt. We are gonna mix it up. Now we are on to the wet ingredients. We are taking 85 grams of butter. Melt it. Until then, I am measuring out 45 grams of granulated sugar. In melted butter, I am adding 45 grams of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, we will whisk this together until it is nice and smooth. Now we are gonna add yeast mixture in it. Mix until it is well combined. We are gonna stir the flour in right now. Mix until a soft, slightly sticky dough forms. Flour a clean surface and turn out the dough. Knead for about 5 to 7 minutes until the dough becomes smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a grease bowl and cover it. Allow it to rise in a warm place for about 1 to 2 hours or until doubled in size. Now gently punch down the raisin dough to release air. It's really satisfying. Now knead it for about a minute, then roll it out to about half-inch thickness. Now use a donut cutter or anything which is round in shape to cut out donuts. Then use a smaller cutter to create the donut holes. Place the cut-out donuts on a tray and cover them with a cloth and let them rise for another 30 to 45 minutes. Now heat oil in a deep pot. Carefully slide the donut into the hot oil, a few at a time, and fry for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side or until golden brown. Once fried, remove the donuts and place them on a paper towel lined plate to remove excess oil. While the donuts are warm, dip them in your favorite chocolate flavor and design them with sprinkles. You can also toss them in granulated sugar if you prefer. And there you have it, the perfect homemade donut recipe that is guaranteed to bring a smile to your face, whether you are enjoying these for breakfast or as a sweet treat. They are simply irresistible. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy baking!